They say I'm trouble. They say I'm bad. They say I'm evil. That makes me glad. I dirty no good, down to the bone. Your worst nightmare can't take me home.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yo, where do you live? I live in the hood. The hood? What hood do you live in? Adulthood. I live in adulthood and it freaking sucks. I'm trying to move.
I don't even care anymore. And you know what's even better? I don't care that I don't care.